Pay-per-click (PPC) is an advertising technique in which advertisers pay publishers a commission every time one of their adverts is clicked. For example, bloggers and affiliate marketers that place adverts on their website. Welcome to this video in which we'll discuss the free per-click money that can fetch you $50 or more. In general, here's how PPC advertising works. So without any further ado, let's take a look at some of the most popular and successful pay-per-click affiliate programs that you can utilize in 2021 to earn more money per click and earn more money. Let's get started with this video. How to make money using media.net as an affiliate? According to Blogger's Passion, if you want to join the most popular Yahoo Bing network contextual ads program, media.net is for you, where you can join their network for free, and once you receive the unique referral ID, you can start promoting it through your website, blog, or social media presence and start generating money whenever someone uses your referral link. How to make money using REVENUEHITS as an affiliate? With REVENUEHITS referral program, you can refer publishers like bloggers, affiliate marketers, and email marketers to sign up to REVENUEHITS for free, and you can earn up to 10% of their earnings for an entire year. That is 12 whole months. Once you've signed up with a referral program, you'll get a referral link with your unique ID that you can share on your website or anywhere else on the web to start sending publishers to try their referral program. For each successful sign-up, you'll get 10% of their revenue. For the first year, you receive 10% of the revenues made by the referred publishers who earn more than $1,500, and you'll earn 5% of the ones who earn less than $1,500. Why should you use REVENUEHITS? The biggest question to consider REVENUEHITS is to give you access to over 5,000 advertisers in different industries, including dating, mobile, shopping, coupons, travel, entertainment, gaming, software, and lead generation. It also offers you industry-leading commissions per click, and the minimum payment threshold is $20 for PayPal and Payoneer and $500 for wire transfers. Biggest benefits of using this REVENUEHITS pay-per-click affiliate program? Few reasons to use REVENUEHITS PPC affiliate program. It offers you a wide range of flexible pricing models: CPA, CPI, CPL, and CPM. Over 5,000 advertising pools to choose from. Industry-leading payouts. Free to sign up and instant setup. How to make money using SKIMLINKS as an affiliate? The number one reason to promote SKIMLINKS referral program is they give you a whopping amount of money, where they give you 35% of what they earn for a year for each publisher you refer. SKIMLINKS provides you with a ton of promo materials like disclosure badges, texts, and custom banner ads to promote their referral program to make money as an affiliate. Once you've signed up with them, you'll get a unique referral ID you can use to send new referrals, and any commissions earned from publishers you refer during their first year with us will automatically be credited to your account. Why should you use SKIMLINKS? If you're an affiliate with SKIMLINKS, you'll also get access to their referral program where you can promote SKIMLINKS, and you'll earn a whopping 35% of what SKIMLINKS earns for a year for each publisher you refer. Key features of using SKIMLINKS as pay-per-click affiliate program. Major reasons to use SKIMLINKS PPC affiliate program. As an affiliate, you get 75% of the revenue split from SKIMLINKS platform. If you're a WordPress user, it also gives you access to their plugin, which helps you easily integrate with SKIMLINKS on websites. The ability to automatically convert user product references into affiliate links. SKIMLINKS offers payment by direct deposit or PayPal to publishers with US or UK bank accounts. If you're located outside the US or UK, they offer payment by PayPal only. The minimum payout is $10, and they operate on a net 90 basis. How to make money using INFOLINKS as an affiliate? Did you know that by using INFOLINKS referral program, you can refer new publishers to INFOLINKS and earn 10% of their revenue for 12 months? Yes, by joining their referral program, you can do that. Besides signing in, you'll also get access to a wide selection of banners that you can use to promote their referral program to make money as their affiliate. You can also earn 20% more revenue with every successful sign-up for 6 months if you set ad code live within 12 hours of joining and are approved. Why should you use INFOLINKS? INFOLINKS provides you with a wide range of ad format units to monetize your website's traffic, and here are some of the ad formats that INFOLINKS provide you: in fold, in screen, in text, in article, in frame, in tag. INFOLINKS has a minimum payout threshold of $50, and it has a variety of payment options like PayPal, eCheck, or Payoneer as their mode of payment. To get paid, you need to make at least $50 or more to get your earnings on PayPal. Some of the benefits of using this INFOLINKS pay-per-click affiliate program. Here's why you should use INFOLINKS PPC affiliate program. It uses Smart Ad Unit targeting system to show highly relevant ads on your website. Large pool of thousands of advertisers. INFOLINKS gives you access to a variety of ad formats to monetize your site. It also offers mobile ads to monetize your mobile traffic. How to make money using AdBlade as an affiliate? If you want to promote a PPC affiliate network that has excellent tracking and reporting that includes everything from real-time reporting to providing information around number of impressions shown, click-through rate, cost per action, cost per click, and so on, you should pick AdBlade that will help you grow revenue by attracting top advertisers around the world. AdBlade will not send you a payment if the amount owed to you is less than $100, and the payment will be made through PayPal only. Why should you use AdBlade? AdBlade claims that content style-based ads receive 3 times more clicks than standard display ads. So if you're looking to get paid more for every click that your visitors generate through your website ads, give AdBlade Network a try. The main reasons to use AdBlade pay-per-click affiliate program. Here's why you should prefer this PPC affiliate program. Widely used, over 300,000 sites are using AdBlade to monetize their traffic. Large pool of advertisers. Offers you excellent display ad requirements, including standard IAB units, along with AdBlade's proprietary news bullets, which is a premium unit that delivers 3 times better performance. Gives you access to real-time reporting, so you can easily find out the number of impressions, click-through rate, cost per action, cost per click, and so on. There are 2 types of payment options. Check for ACH direct deposit. If being paid through ACH, you must have earned at least $100. If you choose International Bank Wire, you must have earned at least $250 to get your payment. AdBlade uses net 30-day payout plan after the end of each calendar month, which means all your August earnings are paid October 1st, February earnings are paid on 1st April, and so on. How to use Outbrain to make money as an affiliate? Outbrain Engage is one of the premium PPC programs which can actually be used as a network that helps promote sponsored content through your blogs or website to earn more money. Here are some of the ways that you can use Outbrain to make money as an affiliate. Sponsored content, where you can drive traffic to content you get paid for. Audience exchange, lookalike audiences, traffic shaping, native Engage server. Your earnings really depend on how much traffic your website gets and how many people are clicking on the sponsored content that you're presenting on your blog. It's as simple as that. Other than that, you may hear about a lot of other ways to earn money per click. The ones we mentioned are just some of them, so you can choose whichever you want to do and then earn money per click, as much as even $50. That depends on your research and luck though. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.